How to use the search the web feature in ChatGPT. This feature is super useful for staying up to date. So let's dive right into the video. When you open a chat, you will see a search the web icon next to the chat input. This feature allows ChatGPT to pull in fresh information from the internet, so you can get the most current answer. To use it, simply ask your question as usual. For example, you might type, what's the current stock price of Tesla? Or what are today's top performing stocks? If your question needs the latest info like live stock prices, market trends or financial news, ChatGPT will use the web to look it up. You will know it's searching when you see the icon light up. This feature is perfect for questions about anything that changes often or needs recent updates, such as stock performance, cryptocurrency prices or economic headlines. And here we go, now you know how to use the search the web feature in ChatGPT. That's all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if for more tutorials like this.